get into this look, guys. This is the look that we're going to be doing today. I'm starting with a fresh, clean face. I'm going to be using the Lineage water sleeping mask. So this is a sleeping mask, but I love using it during the day because it doesn't like make my skin oily, because I tend to have oily skin throughout the day, and this tends to be a little bit more drying, which is so helpful for my T-zone. So you see me just taking a little bit and like applying it over my face. Nothing too crazy. A little really does go a long way.
God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Gollywood.
For storage, whatever. So you missed me putting on concealer. I put on the Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Caramel by NARS. I have neutral tone but golden tones in the middle of my face, so I put the concealer in the middle of my face. I'm trying to rush because I don't want it to cut out again. So all I did was just go whoop, and I just put it here. I already set my face. I used the black opal foundation stick in the color Snatched, to contour my face. So I did that. This one is a reddish undertone, so I use gold, red, and neutral to, you know, give me that neutral effect. So I'm gonna show you my eyeshadow, which is the whole point of this video, before it decides to cut out on me again. So I'm gonna start with my Juvia's Place palette. It's rinky dink now. I really don't want y'all to see it. But I'm gonna start with this color. I don't know what color that is. It's like a orangish brown, and I'm just gonna kind of pop it here. I want it to be light, so you're probably not gonna see it too much on camera, but I'm just giving it a little light, just for a color, just for a little color. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm going in with the did I say Juvia's Place? This is the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the Juvia's Place in the coffee shop palette. We're gonna do one color on the eyeshadow lid because this is our natural brown eye. So we're gonna take this color here, and we're basically just gonna sculpt. And as a matter of fact, because I'm only doing one, typically I like to set my lids too with powder because they tend to crease.
That's my guy. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because
Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for
I
me.
know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth. Throwing away my old ways, something that I gotta do. I gotta get the power from the source. That's the only way to stay the course. Only putting trust up in the
I don't know. So I'm gonna pop that on there. Then I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I'm just gonna like kind of line my lash line just a little bit. I'm not doing a winged anything. I don't even feel like wing liner looks good on my eye shape. Like I've tried wing liner for years. It just don't look right. So I just use eyeshadow. Okay. I'm doing lash. Okay guys, so right here, I'm just telling you that I'm putting on my mascara. So I'm putting on mascara, and I'm going to put on some strip lashes. I don't know what happened to the video of me putting on the lashes, but there will be another video of me doing that. So this is the final look.
Where you put your faith.
And what we have to do, which is a very scary thing for people, is take our trust out of what's gotten us here and now trade it for the presence of what God wants to do in our life. Trading faith is changing the faith that got you here for the faith that will take you there. Where's there? Your prophetic promise? Where is there? You walking in purpose? When my anger's about to go crazy, I don't run to a bottle. That's what I used to trust. That's what got me here. I don't run to money and being a workaholic. That's what I used to trust. That's where I used to put my faith. I don't even run to my husband or wife because they are not the source. They are just a resource.